Unacknowledged and undealt with resistance is the number one reason why people cannot do things that they say that they want to do. And in especially Western culture, where might is right, we tend to have this belief that if I just will myself enough or discipline myself enough into it, I can accomplish this thing. And it may work for a little while, it may work sometimes, but it is never going to actually work long term. We have to actually get to the core of what part of us, what trauma, what core belief, what emotional experience, what physiological experience is directly opposing what it is that I say that I want. If we don't get to the core of that, we will ultimately be having aspects of ourselves basically like in a boat, rowing in opposite direction, and the boat is just spinning. It's not going to go anywhere. We have to align and figure out what aspects of us are in resistance to what we say that we want. And the thing is that a lot of us have to learn the hard way, because we end up going down and just bulldozing ourselves. And we may seem to get farther ahead than others for a period of time, but stuff comes up that slows you down because you never dealt with that core resistance. Whereas somebody who takes the time to deal with that resistance may seem like they're getting started a little slower, but there's a sustainability to that forward movement and action that they take because there's an alignment to that action.